Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. This video is very special, very important for all Shiba holders, because in this video I will show you, friends, the June price of Shiba token. What is the price of Shiba on 1st June? What is the price of Shiba on 2nd June? What is the price of Shiba on 3rd June? Same like that, and so on. I will show you, friends, the price of Shiba token. And remember, we can't see about the future. That is only prediction. That is only on the basis of technical, on the basis of my personal research. This price I predict. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. And remember, if you have any type of questions, so please comment me. I will try to answer your question, friends. As you can see now on the screen, that is the price chart of the Shiba token, and same like that you can see here the calendar date, the 1st June Tuesday, the 2nd June Wednesday, the 3rd June Thursday, and same like that the 4th June Friday. And here you can see here that is the regular price predict for a Shiba token, and same like that here is the least possible price, and here is the best possible price of the Shiba token. You can see here, friends. So friends, if we look the 1st June price on Tuesday, 0.00005 USD dollar is possible for Shiba to hit on the 1st June, friends. And same like that if we look the 2nd June price, so 0.0004 USD dollar is possible for the Shiba token. Same like that 3rd June, if we look to 0.00003 USD dollar is possible for Shiba token, friends. There is the price which is predicted by the cryptocurrencies market. You can see here, and same like that you can read, stop the video, you can read the price chart, and the whole month price you can easily detect on this video, friends. You can see here, stop the video, and you can easily read the price of the Shiba token on Friday, on Saturday, on Sunday, on Monday. Same like that, is the whole month price of the Shiba token. Let's see the end of this month, what's the price goes in the end. You can see here, same like that 0.005 USD dollar is the latest price, is on the 30 June price. So my goodness, remember my friends, that's not that's not belief, that's not sure that this prices will be right, friends. Maybe there's a quick jump occurred in the Shiba token in the start of June, so we can't see about the big. Maybe tomorrow Shiba take a quick jump and they hit a 0.01 USD dollar, friends. So we can't see about the future, friends. But this price is detected by the basis of technical analysis, by the basis of price research of the cryptocurrencies master, friends. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.